In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, super quick, no crust supreme pizza. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grab a mixing bowl and pour in 1 heaping cup of mozzarella cheese and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Pour in a 1/4 cup of egg beaters. Add some garlic salt and pizza seasoning to taste. Mix the ingredients together and this will become the base to build your pizza on. Grab a 9x12 cookie sheet and place parchment paper in it. Pour in the mixture onto the parchment paper and spread out evenly. This is going to create the base to build your pizza on. Don't worry about it being perfect, it's going to melt and fill in the gaps anyways. Place the base mixture in the oven and cook until golden brown, about 10 to 12 minutes. This should give you plenty of time to get your toppings ready. I'm going to be placing on sauce, pepperoni, sausage, bacon, peppers, black olives, and cheese. Pull your base out after 10 to 12 minutes or until it's just a little golden brown around the edges. Place the base on the counter and start layering in your toppings. I like to sprinkle a little extra seasoning on top. Place in the oven and cook until golden brown. Let the pizza cool down for a couple minutes, then grab the parchment paper and put on a cutting board and cut with a pizza cutter. I hope you enjoyed this no crust, low carb supreme pizza. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment when you give it a try.